So why has ITIL become so popular? Well, obviously for individuals it's great because it helps your career. It gives you a certification, it gives you learning and knowledge that maybe you didn't have, or it might take you some time to accumulate. I'd say beyond that, the reason it's become so popular is because it works. It's effective, it's proven, it delivers value to organizations, and it's been doing that for a number of years. We haven't thrown away a lot of that stuff, we've kept all the good stuff. And the reason it's popular, ITIL 4 is becoming popular as well, is because it's using that experience, knowledge, expertise, value in a new and contemporary setting. So ITIL works for organizations and it works for individuals. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you're interested in free ITIL resources, click the link below in the description.